My name is Matt Panessa. I am a project engineer for Anderson Construction. We were contracted by the McMenamins to build the Elks Lodge project here in Tacoma, Washington. It's going to be one of their flagship facilities in the Pacific Northwest, one of about 50 to 60 locations. So the Elks Lodge building is a 104-year-old facility. It is a historical remodel. The building is on the historic registry in the United States, and it's a complete restoration. Top to bottom, inside, outside, the exterior, every square foot of this building is being restored. We have contracted with Emerald Air. DJ here is the working foreman for Emerald Air, and Emerald Air is our design build contractor on site, performing mainly the dry side of the HVAC systems.
We have Belimo products on this job site for fire life safety. We also have it for controlling airflow from the outside and exhausting. Primarily connected to the shafts and is connected to the whole entire building essentially. So it's connected to every aspect of this building, hotels, main lobbies, attics, everywhere. So it pretty much just takes care of the whole entire building.